It's the 4th of July, and instead of being home, my family and I decided to travel to the mountains to Lake Lure, North Carolina. Where I live, it's absolutely a nightmare during this time of year. Literally, the locals will get their groceries the week before and then hunker down like it's doomsday until the entire 4th celebrations are over. So we've decided over the past few years that we always would travel on the 4th of July. So we decided to go somewhere different. We've never been to Lake Lure area, just decided to explore it. We're staying at this place called Bear Cave, which is a house. And yeah, it's gonna be kind of a laid back sort of, you know, vacation. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna vlog, but if there's anything interesting, I definitely will. And this is an interesting area. They said it was gonna be secluded, and they weren't kidding. I am literally in the woods. Yep. So loud. Officially exploring today. Yesterday was sort of a rest day, so today we're just sort of exploring around Lake Lure and going to Asheville a little bit later because we got tickets to go see an artist there who has a exhibition going on, so that will be fun. But currently at Lake Lure Flowering Bridge, which as you see there's a lot of flowers, and I took the off-beaten path and it was well worth it. Chimney Rock next, or hoping to explore it. We're not sure yet if it's all the hiking or not, so we'll see when we get up there. I'm totally unprepared, but if you see some more in this vlog, then you'll know we made it. Top of Chimney Rock.
Why don't we come over here?
officially at Biltmore, as you can see in the background. Now we're gonna be able to see this cool art exhibit at nighttime, which I'm really super excited about. Officially finished up at the Carl Sandburg house. It's currently being renovated, so they don't actually have any of the furniture in, but it was still pretty informative, and I know they're getting ready to close it down to put all the stuff back in, but when the doors open back up, you should definitely check it out. Almost forgot they have a goat farm here, and they make goat milk fudge. We're on our way back home from Lake Lure, and we happened to just find an exit that said there was a covered bridge, and after my Pennsylvania trip, I'm obsessed with them, so we had to stop. We're at the Bunker Hill Covered Bridge. It's one of the oldest in North Carolina and one of the last ones, so kind of a fun little side trip.